the question, I think it was just, is masturbation wrong? I
Mhm.
think was the simplicity of of what you guys were talking about. Not a simple subject, but one of my favorite moments came when you guys were asking questions. And I think about like that curiosity. And so instead of like condemnation or correction of the curiosity, and
Mhm.
off the top of my head, some that I think of, like, is your spouse aware that this is happening before or after? Is it something that you would tell her before the acting out or after the acting out? Is she okay with it?
Mhm.
How's this conversation between you and the Holy Spirit? Like, what is God speaking to you in these moments? When afterwards, like, what is God speaking to you afterwards? Or what is the enemy speaking over you? Or what are you speaking over you? Like, is your critic coming in?
Mhm.
And if we can be honest about some of those questions and truly reflect on that, I think that brings us to a lot of understanding and clarity about what is happening internally as this is going on. And I think just being able to stay present to if we're able to ask ourselves, that's great. But sometimes we just need that external person to be asking those questions, and I think that's where the clinicians and groups team, like, that is clutch to be part of a community of people who ask good questions.
Yeah, sorry, Nick. I know I'm out of turn. Just the thought, like, of is this a behavior that you would put onto the family calendar? Right? It's like, okay, drop kids off at school, wife goes to the gym, home alone, masturbate,
Yeah.
right? Like, is this stuff that's going on in the family calendar? And if you're not comfortable putting it on the calendar, why not?
Mm.
Right? Like, yeah, it seems pretty on the nose.
Yeah,
Yeah, I love
the
that.
secrecy to it.